Let's get started. Today we will learn about some words that are acronyms. Acronyms are abbreviations made up of initial letters pronounced as a single word. ABTA stands for Association of British Travel Agents. What it is? A UK organisation that provides insurance to people on holiday in the event of financial problems for travel companies who arrange them. ATOL stands for Air Travel Organizers License. What it is? A scheme run by the UK government which offers protection to people who book holidays through a travel agent or tour company where a flight is involved. HUMVEE stands for High Mobility Multi-Purpose Wheeled Vehicle. What it is? A vehicle that combines the features of a jeep with a light truck. KISS stands for Keep It Simple, Stupid. What it is? A design principle of the US Navy which states that needless complexity should be avoided when designing new systems, as simple systems work best. IKEA or IKEA stands for Ingvar Kamprad Amtarid Agonarid. What it is? A Swedish company that designs and sells ready-to-assemble furniture throughout the world. AJAX stands for Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. What it is? It allows web pages to be updated asynchronously by exchanging data with a web server behind the scenes. This makes it possible to update parts of a web page without reloading the whole page. DEFRA stands for Department for Environment, Food and Rural Affairs. What it is? Part of the UK government responsible for protecting the environment, farming, food production and food safety. ESOL stands for English for Speakers of Other Languages. What it is? English taught to those whose native language is not English and who live in English-speaking countries where they would need to learn the language to communicate in their daily lives. VIN stands for Vehicle Identification Number. What it is? A unique code used by vehicle manufacturers to identify a motor vehicle. ASEAN stands for Association of Southeast Asian Nations. What it is? A union primarily formed to promote economic, social and cultural development in Southeast Asia. Thank you! Hope you found this video interesting and informative. We welcome your valuable feedback. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Take care.